Hello there. Let us talk some things about brand new Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus. This is the 10th generation mobile in this Reno series. In this, I'm gonna tell you about why the company calling this mobile as Portrait Expert and about some other stuff inside this piece. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are not done yet. It has 50 megapixel main camera and 64 megapixel telephoto portrait camera. Along with this, they have 8 megapixel ultra wide camera in the rear end of the mobile, and it has 32 megapixel selfie camera also. The main highlight in the camera department is this 64 megapixel telephoto lens. By using this lens, you can make 3 times optical zoom with no pixelation in the photo, and you can make 120 times digital zoom, which results in loss of clarity. With this, you can bring your subject closer and you are able to take stunning portraits. With that 3 times zoom, you have no distortion to your natural beauty. This is because of lenses inside this telephoto lens are physically adjustable based on the focal length. It detects the edge 90% accurately, and it applies the bokeh flare effect perfectly to make your photos better. You can also create cinematic wonders with this Pro Portrait video. This has 1.5K borderless AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, which supports HDR10+, and it has Pro XDR, which helps to bring the image much closer to your eyes as possible. This phone weighs just 194 grams and thickness of 8.2 millimeters. This device comes in two colors, glossy purple and silver grey. It has 4700 mAh battery capacity, which supports 100 watt SuperVOOC fast charging. Company claims that this phone can charge 100% in just 30 minutes. Oppo independently developed a SuperVOOC S power management chip. This chip is used when the phone is plugged in to manage input power to the battery. It is reloaded with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor with 10% increase in CPU performance and 30% in CPU power efficiency and 20% in AI performance compared to the previous versions. This has vapor chamber cooling system which cools the device in extreme hot situations. In partnership with Google, Oppo has developed a system level solution to improve system fluency and stability. That's all about Reno 10 Pro Plus. If you love the content, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye now.